Like if for someone who is starting up right now and is like maybe wants to develop a technology for education or like is in the process of doing it, so what do you think would be your advice to them as
So, since I just want to add something. Basically, we have to keep in mind that a lot of applications are there, but their functionalities at the end is the goal is means same at the end. So the language and architecture will be like that. We have to first visualize what is the our means our flow of workings and what is the what are the type of users they are using our application and how they are using how they want to use the application. So in that way we have to look around and make the applications.
that user, you have to understand the user before like developing something. And what Rajashri said is like if you learn the basics then nothing is difficult. Then I think that like both of it makes sense. During the conclusion, like do you guys want to introduce what is the big thing that we were planning since last week? What is this thing all about and shed some light on it?
So the big thing is that we are planning to host a hackathon and the registration will start from December 7th. So the technology stack you have to like learn like Angular, Ionic, Node and MongoDB, and the model you have to develop for our existing app.
Hackathon is going to be very interesting, and the candidates who will after this hackathon, there are many ways they can learn a lot of things, and that is very helpful for them. And in this event, we are arranging some modules which are very interesting part of the ThinkZone app, and we are just trying to get their ideas, different kind of ideas during this hackathon. So it will be very interesting.
Also, guys, so I think what would be the most interesting part of the whole hackathon would be that they would also get to learn a lot. So I think like that would be very exciting, and we hope that you all come to the hackathon and see for yourselves what is in store for you guys. So I think that's about for today.
Yeah, that's
Thank you, guys.